girl Nah, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello. So, as y'all can see, this is my first YouTube video, and I will be reviewing the Young Nails Pro Ultimate Acrylic Kit. My YouTube name is Pretty Perfect, and that is the name of my brand. I do nails, makeup, hair, just a little bit, but not that. I am a cosmetology student right now. I go to Jean Madeline Aveda Institute in Philadelphia. I am, as of right now, I am on level 2. And that's for any of my cos students out there who know. Almost there. I'm almost there. So. But anyway, let's get into this video. And okay, so today I have the Young Nails Ultimate Pro Acrylic Kit with me. It's not really a first review unboxing because I did unbox everything already because I did have a little spills with stuff, but nothing major, just but I am going to review all the contents of the kit and just give you my first impressions on everything, and my second video will be a demo. So the first thing we have here is a pack of nail forms. This is 100 pack. I've never personally used nail forms, so I'm excited to use these. In my demo video, I will be using these, and I will be using tips. Second thing we have is clear nail tips. This is 50 assorted sizes. It is 10 different sizes, so I wouldn't be able to tell you like how many sizes there are, but these are natural clear 52. Next thing we have is a manicure brush. Everybody needs this. Very important. The next thing we have is nail files. So we have 100 grit. So it's 100 on the front, 100 in the back. We have 150 grit, same front back. We have a 180 sanding buffer sponge. I don't really know the technical name, but we have a 180 file and buffer. So this side is the file, and then this side is the buffer. And then we have a 240 grit file and buffer. Or sanding sponge, same thing. Okay, the next thing we have is the Young Nails Swipe Solution in 8 ounces. So this comes with this little top to put on the solution where you can just pump it up. I actually like this. This is very convenient. So thanks for that. And this is the swipe solution. Basically, this is a dehydrant. So you just want to wipe your nails clean after you've done filing the natural nails. You just want to use this and go over the nails, and you just wipe off the dust. You can also use this to wipe off the tacky layer when you use polygel or anything like that. So I have a number 10 Kolinsky brush. It says Spade on it, but I believe this is Young Nails brand brush. I'm surprised they didn't send a number 8 brush because that is a beginner number brush. But, number 10 is fine too. We have this little plastic squeezer dropper, and I believe this is for the monomer. The next thing we have is rose oil and a dapping dish. This is a good quality glass, I want to say, because the dapping dish that I have the other dapping dish that I have. It doesn't feel like this. This got weight and everything. So this is the rose oil. It don't really have a smell. I mean, it smells. It don't really have a smell really. But this is what spilled out on my stuff. That also comes with a little glass chopper too, which is convenient also. Okay, so this is the Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. It's a high gloss gel silver. I don't know if you can use this as a base coat, but it says it doesn't have a sticky layer to wipe, so that's good. We have a half fluid ounce Young Nails brush on glue. This is a lot of glue. This is gonna last me a while. We have the Young Nails Protein Bond non-acidic adhesion, and that's good because some nail primers do have acid, which is not good for the nail, so this is good. But I didn't know this is 20.25 fluid ounces to 7.5 milliliters. So I'm pretty sure this is just the 0.25 fluid ounces. I didn't know it was this small. They do sell these on Amazon that I was going to get, but I ended up buying the full kit, so I didn't need the extra one. So. Okay, so the next thing I have is my acrylic powders. They're 4 ounces, 45 grams. It comes with Cover Blush. It doesn't have a name on the top, so I'm just going to put a bead of the acrylic so I know the color. This is Cover Blush. This is Speed Clear. This is Speed White. And then we have Cover Pink. And it's funny because the name is on the top. Okay. The next thing we have is these glitters, which I'm a little upset about. They do have acrylic powder in them, so I can use them straight from the jar. This one is called Rave. It's like this. Let me see. It's like this, I want to say like money green color. It's a dark green. With spring. They all are glitters. So we got that one. We have this pink one in Surprise. We have this green one in the color Mixer, but I do believe some of my rose oil, like I said, did spill out. I believe it got in here. I really don't know how, but it's in there. It messed up. So, and then we have this color in Pool. Now, this is a blue, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I want to show y'all. So, I will be reviewing these. And we also have, the last thing is 2 Young Nails Nail Liquid. That's what they call it. They call it nail liquid, but it's really, you know, monomer, of course. This is 6 fluid ounces, which is good because you will go by this. You will go fast using these, like, seriously. And then depending on your dapping dish, you might like, this is the dapping dish. So for one hand, I'm probably going to use 1 full thing of this, just for one hand. So it's not bad that they sent 2. I'm just going to smell it. It smells like, it smells like regular Mountain Bear. The only thing is, it is a little, it's strong. I mean, monomer already is strong, but it's just a tad bit stronger. The monomer is pretty strong, so just, you know, if you can't take it, you might want to just wear a mask when you are doing it. I feel like that helps, you know, but so I'm excited because this kit really did include everything that you need to start. And other than like the oil spilling and my glitter being messed up a little bit, everything else was fine. The packaging was fine. So yeah, thanks for watching me unbox these materials. If this is something that you are interested in, I highly recommend that you go and get this kit. They also have trial kits too. That's cheaper. I think the trial kits are like 20 or 30. I'm not sure, but the trial kits do come with the four acrylic powders. They're just in 2 ounces, I believe, and then it comes with the little primer and then a monomer. So if you wanted to re-up, that's what I suggest you doing, to get the trial kit. But or if you just really not sure and you know just want to test it out, whatever, you don't want to go full-fledged, spend a lot of money, you should get the trial kit. But if you're ready and you're prepared to jump start, take off, you should get this kit. They also have this synergy gel. I don't know if that's like a lot of people sell that, or that's just exclusive to them, but that's also the same price as this, 104. And then they also have a poly gel, another acrylic kit, and then another poly gel one. So I feel like this website is the bomb. Like, I just love it. The prices is not too high, especially for the acrylic powders. They're not too high, especially because this is a professional brand, like professional. So, you know, you pay for the quality, and I have no problem with that. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to see all positive feedback on my video because this is my first video. So, any positive comments or tips or anything like that anybody wants to leave, please do so below. I also will have my business page at name and my regular at name in the description bar, so you guys can follow me. I don't have Twitter or Facebook, but you can follow me on Instagram. And